Mettler Toledo is a multinational manufacturer of scales and analytical instruments. It is the largest provider of weighing instruments for use in laboratory, industrial, and food retailing applications. The company also provides various analytical instruments, process analytics instruments, and end-of-line inspection systems. The company operates worldwide, with 35% of net sales derived from both Europe and the Americas, and 30% from Asia and other countries. Formation and history. Toledo Scale Company . Alan DeVille Biss, Jr. was an inventor who lived in Toledo, Ohio, USA. He became interested in the concept of weighing machines and conceived the idea of an automatic computing pendulum scale. He was able to prove his concept with a local butcher, who realized that customers appreciated the automatic computation which eliminated the risk of overcharging. While his invention gained in popularity, DeVille Biss was not interested in making it a viable business. In 1900, Henry Theobald was fired from his job at the National Cash Register Company. He decided to start his own business, and was convinced that selling the automatic computing scales could be a good business. He solicited additional financial investors and purchased the company from DeVille Biss. On July 10, 1901, the Toledo Computing Scale and Cash Register Company was incorporated. By May 1902, Theobald's company was selling more than 100 cash registers with scales per month. By that time, John H. Patterson, Theobald's boss from NCR, threatened to sue the new company for patent infringements. As an alternative, Patterson offered to purchase all cash register patents and property, along with the stipulation that Theobald would no longer engage in the cash register business. The investors, who worried about the costs of patent infringement litigation, agreed to the sale in June 1902. Since cash registers were no longer part of Theobald's business, he changed the name to Toledo Computing Scale Company. Theobald later coined the phrase "no springs, honest weight" as a slogan for the new company. In the years that followed, Theobald realized that the weighing scale was the most important part of the retail transaction between the merchant and the customer. He felt that many of his competitors who use spring scale technology, especially Dayton's Scale Company, were allowing merchants to cheat their customers by incorrectly calculating the total price of a measured good. He campaigned for more government regulation of weights and measures to eliminate dishonest weighing systems. On October 1, 1907, Massachusetts adopted the first weights and measures laws in the United States. In 1912, the company name changed once again, to Toledo Scale Company. Additionally, a new scale line featuring a double pendulum mechanism and a dial face was introduced and was most suited for industrial applications. Mettler Instruments AG In 1945, Dr. Erhard Mettler, a Swiss engineer, started a precision mechanics company in Karl-Quartier-Snacht, Switzerland. He invented the substitution principle with a single pan balance, capable of being produced in series. Analytical balances with a single weighing pan gradually replaced conventional two-pan balances in the laboratory. In 1980, Dr. Mettler sold his business to Keebler JG. A third pillar, after laboratory and industrial, was created, the retail business. Technological progress had made it possible to advance retail scales to instruments for the management of perishable goods. Mettler Toledo In 1989, Reliance Electric sold the Toledo Scale division to Keebler JG. The division was then merged with Mettler Instruments. The merger vastly increased the global scope of the company, which, as a result, operated in 18 countries. In 1992, the company was incorporated as Mettler Toledo, Incorporated. Indiana, 1996-97, Mettler Toledo, Incorporated was sold by Keebler JG to the New York-based AEA Investors Incorporated, in preparation for a subsequent initial public offering. The initial public offering was completed and began trading on the New York Stock Exchange, under the ticker symbol New York Stock Exchange, MTD. The resultant company is currently headquartered in Graffenzy, Switzerland, with offices for its many brands based around the world. Operational structure: Mettler Toledo is a global manufacturer and marketer of precision instruments for use in laboratory, industrial and food retailing applications. They are geographically diversified with sales in 2012 derived 34% from Europe, 34% from the Americas and 32% from Asia and other countries. The company has an extensive global sales and service organizations with approximately 6,000, or approximately one-half, of the employees providing sales and service in 36 countries. The company has a manufacturing presence in Europe, the United States and China. Laboratory instruments 1952, the measurement of up to 1/10,000,000th of a gram became possible with the laboratory balance products. The Mettler balance proved to be a catchphrase in the laboratory. Consequently, with the advancement of microprocessor technology over the years, a wide range of products for the laboratory were invented, like automated titrators and thermal analyzers. Mettler Toledo laboratory products and technology were able to improve processes in research and development, drug discovery and quality control. Application-specific software for balances provides data analysis opportunities to enhance accuracy, productivity and compliance. Rainin Instrument: in 2001, Mettler Toledo purchased Rainin Instrument, LLC, which is now a wholly owned subsidiary of Mettler Toledo. Rainin supplies precision instruments and services worldwide. Rainin Pipettes provides automated chemistry systems used in drug and chemical compound discovery and development. The company also manufactures and markets metal detection and other end-of-line inspection systems used in production and packaging. Autochem. Thornton, Incorporated. Process Analytics Division founded in 1964 develops, manufactures, markets, and supplies instrumentation and sensors used for liquid process measurement and control applications. The instrumentation provides pure water treatment measurement and control for the pharmaceutical industry. And parameters of conductivity, resistivity, TOC, pH, DO, dissolved ozone and flow for the semiconductor and power industries. Ingold, founded in 1948, Ingold specializes in solutions for pH, DO, conductivity, turbidity and CO2 for process analytics applications in chemical, pharmaceutical and food and beverage industries. Industrial Instruments the company manufactures numerous industrial weighing instruments and related terminals and offer software for the pharmaceutical, chemical, food and other industries. In addition, it manufactures metal detection and other end-of-line product inspection systems used in production and packaging. The company supplies automatic identification and data capture solutions, which integrate in motion weighing, dimensioning and identification technologies for transport, shipping and logistics customers. The company also offers heavy industrial scales and related software. Cargo Scan, Mettler Toledo cargo scan dimensioning solutions are used by international transport companies, small carriers, warehouses and distribution centers around the world. Systems are all approved according to international weights and measures standards, ensuring high instrument performance. It has been shown that laser rangefinder technology provides high accuracy in the industry, making an impact on a production's revenue. High Speed Division joined Mettler Toledo in 1981 to provide weighing solutions for laboratory, industrial, and food retailing applications. The product inspection team provides the checkweighers, metal detection devices, and other end-of-line inspection systems for local and multinational companies worldwide. SafeLine was developed in 1989 at Mettler Toledo. The SafeLine product was an advanced metal detector that used digital technology for increased sensitivity and accuracy. To expand the detection solutions, Mettler Toledo acquired AVS Raytech and AVS Metrology in 2000. AVS Raytech manufactured X-ray inspection equipment. The X-ray inspection equipment combined with the detection products allowed companies to identify multiple contaminants as well as verifying product integrity and portion control. CI Vision, Mettler Toledo. CI Vision is a wholly owned subsidiary of Mettler Toledo Incorporated. The Mettler Toledo Product Inspection Group, consisting of CI Vision, High Speed and Safe Line, is a superior supplier of inline checkweighers, metal detectors, machine vision systems and X-ray inspection systems. Retail weighing solutions. Charitable Contributions, Mettler Toledo actively participates in the United Way organization. The company offers employees opportunities to contribute financially or by supporting volunteer activity during paid company hours. References